Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you for a small house planning in the dimensions of 40 feet by 45 feet. 45 feet, okay. I designed this house plan for one of my clients. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. First of all guys, you can see this is roadside. Okay, so the plot is located in north direction. Okay, width is 40 feet, length is 45 feet. Here we have 4 bedrooms, bath, kitchen, store, staircase, car porch, open to sky, etc. Okay, first of all I will tell you at the front side guys, you can see clearly we have 5 feet width. This is 5 feet. Okay, left and right side is 3 feet. This is 3 feet. Back side is also 3 feet. Okay, this is also 3 feet. This is open to sky for proper ventilation and symmetry. This is main gate, which width is 12 feet. The first one you can see, this is car porch. Size of this car porch is 20 feet by 12 feet. Your width is 12 feet and length is 20 feet. If you see guys, this is a lawn. Okay, so this is a chajja which width is about 3 feet. So you can see this is a stair which is up for the first floor. This is its window. Okay, because as an apartment also you can use like this, same planning on the first floor. Okay, but this is especially for 2 brothers. Okay, so therefore we have ground floor and first floor, but you will find the same design. Next guys, you can see this is guest room or bedroom, you can say, because this is its door, and size is 12 feet by 11 feet. Okay, so for this bedroom or guest room you can use the bath under this staircase. Okay, we have a bath which width is here, length is 7 feet and width is 4 feet. Next guys, you can see when you come on this side, so here directly you will see the open passage. So this is dotted line can show you the beam on the top section. These are steps for this living room. So this is main entrance. Okay, so this is a living room. Size of this living room is 11 feet by 20 feet. Here guys, you can see this is store. So this is storage, also a small lobby here. So this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 8 feet by 7 feet. Okay, width is 7 feet, length is 8 feet. This is its window to open sky. This is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 12 feet by 11 feet. Okay, we don't have any bath with this one. So this is a second bedroom. Size is same, 12 feet by 11 feet. This is a cross ventilation here. This is a window. This is the window to the back side. This is to the left side. This is the window for this bedroom. This is the attached bath. Size of this bath is 7 feet by 4 feet. Okay, this is its ventilation. So same the opposite side, you can see this is the other bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 12 feet by 11 feet and 6 inches. Okay, and here we have its window. Okay, at this side, this is the window. You can keep the window here also. This is the window. Okay, so this is its bath. Size is same, 7 by 4 feet. This is its ventilation. So this is a small plot. Size is 40 feet by 45 feet, but we have everything here, especially at storage, kitchen, 4 bedrooms, attached bath, common bath, car porch. On the top of this you will find the same design on this. So hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.